that?
The key catalyst for the US equity market is economic recovery, GDP growth, plus the Fed balance sheet. So it's basically as simple as that. If GDP is growing, equities are going up. They can have sell-offs, but they'll go up over time. So that's the ISM over 50 generally means that equities will go up. You can get shocks within that, as I mentioned. Then it really is a function of the Fed balance sheet, which will super goose parts of this. So we've seen that in the past. So that's what US equities are all about. Oil plays next to no role in it, except high oil prices cramp consumer confidence because marginal spending has gone to oil as opposed to other goods and services. So it's generally not a good look as the oil price goes up.
Yeah.
So the multiple uses of this are almost, we can't think them through. It'll change everything from the insurance business to the real estate business. It'll probably change everything from how we notarize things to the art world, to the music world, to how businesses are built using community tokens, which are basically a variation of NFTs. So that whole piece in the last week was trying to show that there are like 5 or 6 mega trends all converging around NFTs, and this is just the early stage. This is going to really break everything. I think the securities market will be attached to tokens, NFTs. I think we will find, all financial instruments will go that way because why? We can settle instantaneously. We can trade 24 hours a day and it doesn't cost anything to do it.
Right.
So why the hell would you not? I mean, Sam Bankman-Fried's already doing this with FTX by tokenizing some equities.
Yeah.
We will see the tokenization of the asset management industry. That's all coming too. And it massively reduces the cost. Anybody who's ever set up a fund knows how painful it is. So this is changing, and there are whole platforms building these kind of businesses out. And this is not me pontificating on a Friday afternoon. This is me saying, I'm talking to all of these people, and this is all happening. And I'm involved personally in a whole ton of this stuff because it is incredibly exciting. I think people still think that DeFi was the big breakthrough. I'm a bit of a yawn on DeFi. It's like, yeah, great, yield. I don't care about yield. Price appreciation in a network model is worth more than the yield. When I look at NFTs, that's when I get really excited. And again, I'm not talking about collectibles. I'm not really interested in that market. Other people are, and it's very interesting, but it's not for me. What I'm interested in is, I think, a disruption of global business models, supply chains, and all of the things that can come with NFTs and a change in the entire financial system that could be attached to this technology.